Keep looking up.
I can see it.
Well, that's just a step right here. We're waiting for this electric one to come up in the air.
Everybody is ready to see BlackFly fly.
Oh, I see something spinning over there.
There she goes, straight up in the air. She'll go to about 200 feet, circle around the field, try to stay out of the way of all the traffic. Look at that, she's going into cruise mode here, and she'll circle around. It'll be coming right over you here. Watch her make the turn here. She's over the trees, coming around. Okay, everybody, do you see it? They're ready for you, Heather. They're looking and pointing. That's like when you stand on the street corner and you see somebody point up and everybody looks up. Here she's circling around. She's coming, she'll be over just this side of the runway. She's at 290 feet right now, coming down to 200. She'll circle around the whole field again. Do little wiggles there, say hello to the crowd. Keep your eyes on it. She's going to go around one more time so that everybody can see her. Would you believe that thing can fly? Well, look at it. You're seeing it. There's one of only 5 in the country, and we have this one at our hangar at Eagles Crest Aerodrome. Heather and I are the only 2 pilots in the area. Here she's going to come back and come over the runway or just short of the runway. We don't want to get in front of any traffic coming in there. She's circling around. Now take a look at this. When it's coming right at you, does that look like a biplane? It's like got 2 wings, and it flies just like a BlackFly. Only you don't need any of that stinky half gas. You got all electric, 8 electric motors, 16 batteries. Show if you're in hoverboat, you can know how to ride. Tweak your joystick and you go in this direction. She'll be coming down here through the circle. She's coming in for a landing, so she's going to come in the same direction as 22, where the planes have been coming in. She's circling around here. She's on her landing pattern, coming down. She's probably at 100 feet right now. So don't put your hands up.
Yeah.
Coming around, coming around.
Yeah.
Where do you live?
I'm off of this. Off the road.
Oh, yes.
And
Yeah, that's
I'm usually out there taking. No.
Okay, she's coming around.
After a while, it's like whatever.
Oh, I know. No, please. I figured that.
Turning base right now.
But I enjoy it.
She'll be on the ground.
Some people don't, a lot of people don't, but a lot of people do.
Watch closely as she comes down. You'll see the way she'll hover right over her landing point. I'll point that out to you when she gets right over the landing point. And then all she does at that point, let's see her come in here. She's on downwind lens, coming in on final. On base leg now, coming around to final. She's on final. She'll be coming down to 40 feet. And you'll see her nose up when she's right over. Copy that. She's bringing it down, she just told me. Coming around. Got a little bird trying to give her competition there. Okay, watch her carefully. You'll see the nose go up into the air. She's almost over the landing point. The nose is going to go into the air, and she'll say bingo at that point, and she'll come down to 15 feet. Her iPad in front of her face will say landing available, and she'll take her hands off everything, and it will land automatically. If she starts moving